To reverse the direction of the crown, press and hold the lower button. Then navigate to System, select it. Go down at the very bottom of the page to More Settings, select it. And then go down to Digital Dial. Select the second option, which is the rotation, dial rotation, and actually you see it's down. You will want to set it to up. And now it has reversed the orientation of the crown. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.